Man, y'all doing too much with the laboo.
Whoa! I'ma pray for you, brother. Take this time to reflect on your life. You a grown.
Run! Run, my brothers! The humans is attacking the dawn! And they got 100 men for every one of you! You know, sometimes in life we like to get too ahead of ourselves. It's always a good idea to take a step back, you know? It's not about how you start, it's about how you finish. And it's just a minor setback for major comeback.
I really don't want to do this to you, bro, but the recipe says I gotta wash you and let you chill for 30 minutes. Hopefully you taste good, but you're not bald.
Damn, you probably stole some chips from the wrong people. That's what he get. The Seagull Mafia got him walking on Cheetos.
Like and sub if you enjoyed, and drop a comment on what I should rank next.